Best survival gadgets available on Amazon. The world is a wild place. See the effectiveness of this gadget in action. Or what about this folding, single-shot pistol that's no bigger than a stack of credit cards? Wait, what did you say? Does it look like a toy? Stick around, I am going to prove you wrong. Kruk Provoke Kinematic EDC Folding Pocket Knife. The Provoke knife draws on ancient karambit design, but it's hiding a futuristic secret. The first knife ever to feature kinematic technology. It stays neatly tucked away in transit and comes to life when there's trouble afoot. Around here, we think of designer Joe Caswell as somewhat of a mad scientist. When we got an eyeful of the sketches that were to become the Provoke, designed in Newbury Park, California, we knew he was destined to become one of the most innovative designers the knife world has ever seen. Modeled after a traditional karambit, the black oxide finished hawkbill style blade is forged of premium D2 steel for high durability and excellent edge retention. Sabre Safe Escape 3-in-1 Pepper Gel. If you're looking for a pepper spray that can fit on your keychain, then you'll want to pick up this ultra-compact pepper spray, also from Sabre. This multi-function self-defense tool also comes with a seatbelt cutter and window breaker in case you are trapped inside your car in an emergency. Instead of the typical spray, this canister uses powerful pepper gel with a 12-foot range to ward off would-be attackers. Not only that, but this self-defense weapon marks attackers with a UV dye, which can help police identify them following an attempted attack. Belt cutter tool slices malfunctioning seatbelts so you can quickly free yourself in an emergency. The steel window breaker helps you break and exit through windows if doors or powered windows cannot be opened. Add-a-lock portable door lock self-defense weapon. Great for when you're traveling or even when you're at home and just want one extra layer of security. This portable door lock from Add-a-lock is super handy to keep in your luggage. Add-a-lock works simply by inserting the device into the strike plate of the door closure wherein it sits and acts as a door stopper. Lightweight, fast, and easy to use, it'll make a huge difference when you want just a little more peace of mind. The Add-a-lock original portable door lock has a metal body that is engraved with the Add-a-lock logo and comes with a red Add-a-lock storage pouch. Cartier Williams Self-Defense Key. You may have heard stories about how you can slot your keys in between your knuckles in case a situation starts to turn dicey. But what if you didn't have to? This defense key tool from Columbia River Knife and Tool is meant to ease that process by taking the hassle out of having to place the keys. The slide bellow at the bottom of the key makes it easy to grip in between your hands with its secure grip. The tool itself will naturally fit on your key ring and looks incredibly discreet. Oh, and it has a Phillips head screwdriver on it, adding to its value. Sabre Wild Max Bear Spray Deterrent. A great alternative to bear bells, the Frontiersman bear horn will alert and scare away any bear up to half a mile away to ensure your safety. Also take it with you on a rigorous hike, so that if tragedy strikes, you can call for help and be heard. The Sabre Frontiersman bear horn can be heard up to 1/2 mile away, ideal for helping save lives in an emergency. When you are in bear country, one of the most important things is to not surprise a bear. With a safety horn, a bear can be alerted to your presence up to 1/2 mile away and vacate the area. It is a federal requirement that your boat has an operating sound device. With the horn, you can protect your boat, signal your location during inclement weather, and call for help during an emergency. Mace Pepper Spray Gun. Accurate and effective, the Mace Brand Pepper Gun 2.0 combines an advanced delivery system with a maximum strength formula to protect you from long-range threats. Its power stream pattern provides long-range protection up to 20 feet. Personal safety devices like this OC pepper spray causes respiratory distress and coughing, impaired vision, and an intense burning sensation to the skin. UV dye leaves a long-lasting residue to support investigation and identification. Included with this Mace self-defense spray is an integrated dual-mode LED strobe light that distracts threats and enhances aim. Plus, a Picatinny rail allows for accessory attachments with this Mace Pepper Spray Gun. Maglite Heavy-Duty Incandescent Flashlight. With its sturdy, heavy-duty construction, the Maglite Heavy-Duty Incandescent 4-cell flashlight can be used for more than just illuminating your way in the dark. The tough anodized metal is rust-resistant and drop-resistant to give you a reliable flashlight and potential weapon. This USA-made flashlight is also available in 7 different colors and several different sizes, although the larger sizes are definitely most effective for use as a weapon to defend yourself. Linear focusing, spot to flood. Patented cam action focusing beam. Flush sealed rubber thumb button. Triple action, self-cleaning internal switch, on-off and signaling. Anodized inside and out for better corrosion resistance and durability. A ring sealed for maximum water resistance. Diamond knurled grip. Machined aluminum. Spare lamp inside tail cap. Numbered for identification. Batteries not included. Model number S4D016, special features water resistant. The Atomic Bear Tactical Pen. As the old adage says, the pen is mightier than the sword, and that's especially true with the Atomic Bear Tactical Pen in your hands. This all-in-one pen includes a glass breaker, multi-tool, and built-in compartment for concealing items. The enhanced impact end is made from tough tungsten carbide and can be used to defend yourself against an unexpected attack. Plus, the pen's inconspicuous appearance makes this a great choice for users who prefer to keep their weapon in view and close at hand. Smith & Wesson Assisted Folding Knife. Smith & Wesson focus on creating knives that are ready for all situations. Whether you are a knife collector, survivalist, or first responder, you can trust that your Estendo knife will be the tool you can rely on in any situation. The blade is made of reliable 4034 black oxide, high-carbon stainless steel with a black aluminum handle with rubber inlay. Quick and easy access with the convenient pocket clip, flipper/finger actuator, and Magic Key assisted opening, making it ideal for everyday carry. Have confidence that the blade will not slip with the security of the liner lock and safety lock. Vipertech VTS 979 Stun Gun. This Vipertech stun gun packs a powerful punch. When discharged, it will send a painful jolt of electricity through your attacker's body. The stun gun also comes with a wrist strap and safety disable pin, which prevents the gun from being used on you. If an attacker does manage to rip this away from you, the safety pin will be removed, rendering the stun gun useless. For ease of use, this tool is covered in a non-slip rubber coating and comes with a rechargeable battery. Prevents an attacker from taking this stun gun away and using it on you. Taser Pulse Self-Defense Tool. The Taser Pulse is equipped with neuromuscular incapacitation, which will immobilize an attacker. Only the Taser Strike Light is rechargeable. However, the batteries on all other Taser devices are user-replaceable and provide enough energy for many uses. Taser devices will work anywhere on the body. As long as the current is flowing through muscles, the attacker will lose control of said muscles. Ideal for most personal protection situations, this device features a 15-foot shooting distance. LifeGuard 22R. If you are talking about a firearm that is stylish, handy, and yet would save your life, then you are talking about LifeGuard 22R, the last gun you will leave behind. LifeGuard 22R is a single-barrel, single-shot handgun. It looks cool and will make everyone interested in it. LifeGuard 22R is a folding pistol that actually takes no space, but equally deadly as big guns. It is the size of your credit card and fits into your pocket easily. It has 22R caliber. Its thickness is 5 inches, moreover it weighs only 5.5 oz, which makes it very easy to carry. Its overall length is 3.375, and its height is 2.215. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.